Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $1 just to look at ads online, okay? There's such a thing, and you can even earn by watching videos online as well. So I'm going to show you how to make money either viewing ads or watching videos online. And this is going to be worldwide, so it's going to be available for a lot of people. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, I'm back. Now since you are on my YouTube channel, I just want to let you know something. If you don't like today's method, you can check out what I do online instead, which is in this video right here, or you could check out this link up top, how to make big money here. Check that link out because these are going to be programs where you're going to learn how to make much bigger money than what I'm going to show you in today's method. And not only that, you'll be able to earn a passive online income if you use this kind of method. This is kind of thing that I've been using since 2016 and makes me a full-time online income. So I hope you will join me. Okay. All right. Before I show you the sites where you could earn money watching videos or watching ads, since you're on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And if this video is valuable to you, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. It will really help the YouTube algorithm to show this to a lot more people. So thank you so much for giving me a thumbs up. So in this video now, I'm going to show you the sites that will earn you up to $1 for viewing ads. So like this site right here, it is called PPC Share, ptcshare.com. So in this site, what you're going to be doing is more than a pay-to-click site. There will be several ways on here for you to earn, and one of them is interact with advertisers, and you're going to earn up to $1 per ad view, and you're going to be able to do other things like offer walls, surveys, and more, and low cash out limits. It's going to be, and you could process daily. And also this is for international, and this particular site is okay for teenagers, but it's going to be 16 and up. Okay, it's not all teenagers, so just be aware of that. So let's see how PPC Share gives you the best options to earn. You just got to register here. The registration is actually pretty easy. It's just a simple form like that. In order to earn, you need to collect BAPs. And what that is kind of like their point system basically, okay? By having these BAPs, you are eligible to be part of our ad issue, which is the distribution of paid ads. Over time, this will prove your value, and we will start delivering bigger ads to you as our advertisers are more likely to have you as their client. So what this means is that the more ads that you view, the more BAPs you will earn. And the more BAPs that you'll earn, the more lucrative ads will be served to you if they know that you're going to be a very active person on this platform. So that's why the more you earn here, the better it is, and that's how you could get all the way up to $1 per ad view. So you can see here there's a bunch of people with different flags, and you'll see that they're from all over the world, and the payments that they have here is a little bit different. And I'm just gonna move myself up here. You'll see that they use Perfect Money, Solid Trust Pay, Payeer, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. These are cryptocurrencies, of course. Payeer is like a internet banking, online banking, and Perfect Money is another one. And I guess so is Solid Trust. I've never heard of that one, so I don't know if that works or not for people. But you'll see here that there's actual proof that they actually got paid out. So the payout is very fast. You see here that the members inside could actually earn 200 BAP points if they actually provide proof of their payout so that you guys can see that they really are paying. So look at how low the payout threshold is. People could get cashed out at just $2. Okay, so that's one. This is a $5 here, $5.60. See, that's another one. So there's a lot of people that are earning from this site by just looking at ads and clicking on ads. This one is a $7 one. So this one, the proof is just goes into his Litecoin account. This is LTC right there on the lower part is the acronym for Litecoin on this CoinPot's exchange or wallet, wherever he stores his Litecoin wallet, okay? So for Bitcoin and Litecoin, you would need to go to blockchain.com where you could get a wallet for these cryptocurrencies, or you can go to Coinbase is another one that I use. I use Coinbase. I have some cryptocurrencies, but not a lot. But that is how you would earn on this site. And then there's other ways to earn, but the other ways are kind of weird because it tells you to buy ads. But most of you are here to earn from the ads, so I'm not even going to go through that tab, and that's what these things here are more about. And if you join today, you also get a bonus of 100 BAP. So that's kind of it for this site. So the next one I want to show you is called Ysense at ysense.com. This is also worldwide, and this is also 16 years and up. So this one is also good for teens, but not all teens. It's just 16 years and up. So this one is very easy as well. You just join by adding your email and password, and you can join. So you can earn extra cash online. This is basically a global online community with multiple earning options, and you can do many different things, including watching videos and get paid for it. Okay, see, you can see it here. So here you can have paid surveys, earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next gen of products, services, etc. Or you could do cash offers. So you could get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. Or you could do online tasks. Earn by completing simple tasks from the comfort of your home, earn bonuses, and participate in our weekly contest. And there's also a referral way to earn here, where you can earn up to 30% of what your referrals make. So that is a lot of referral fees that you're going to earn with this referral program. Ysense used to be called ClickSense long time ago when I first started my affiliate marketing business, when I was looking at this stuff and doing things on a daily schedule or some kind of other cash rewards that you can earn. These completing offers could be a wide variety of things that you can do. So it just depends, okay? So you can testing new services, watching videos, or signing up for websites. So that's the majority of what that is. Tasks are going to be literally simple tasks that you do online. So there's a lot of different, it's like crowdsourcing, where businesses who need little things, little tasks done online will pay certain people, workers like yourself, to do those tasks for them. And so that's what the tasks is about. So that is what Ysense.com is. And another one I was going to show you here is Superpay.me. Superpay.me is pretty cool, but this one is going to be 18 and up, and this one will be worldwide as well. And you have all these different options here: Bitcoin, Skrill, Amazon, Tango Card, or PayPal to get paid. And you're going to be earning here by doing lots of different things, including watching videos. It's going to be one of the ways. And you could do surveys, and you can do paid offers on the site. This site actually pays very fast. They even pay within 8 hours. If you look at this, see, over 90% of payments are paid within 8 hours via PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrill. So those can be paid out very quickly. So you could earn cash, earn points, and then redeem them for gift cards or PayPal. So this is a very popular site, and this has been used a lot as well. And you could take a look at their payment proof. They pay all the time, all day long, and this is what their people are earning on the right here. This is what people are earning. It refreshes all the time. And so this is definitely a site that you can earn on as well. So those are 3 different options that you have to earn money online by watching videos or watching ads. But as you will see that these 3 sites aren't going to be huge money makers because you're literally just watching videos or watching ads. So in that sense, you're not going to be making a lot of money in a month, but you could definitely earn a little side money for sure. But so if you think it's too little and you want to make a lot more money, these sites will not do that for you. So you need to really invest in a program like the one I've linked in my video description. It's going to be the first link, so check that out. Check out that first link. It's going to be a program that's going to teach you some online skills where you can earn a lot more money. And it's going to be a business model that I've been using since 2016. So that's the way I like to earn, and it's going to be earning a passive online income as well, meaning that you can actually earn any time of the day while you work whenever you choose to work. Okay, so check that out. It's going to be that first link in the video description. So I hope you will follow my path. So if you like this video today, please, I hope you did. Please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out. So get notified, okay? So I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.